I need to build a real-time web application that can handle thousands of simultaneous connections. I've heard about Tornado in Python. Can it be a good fit?
Absolutely. Tornado is an excellent choice for real-time web applications. It's an asynchronous networking library and a web framework, allowing you to handle many connections concurrently.
How does Tornado handle these connections differently from other frameworks?
Tornado is built on a non-blocking network I/O. This means it can scale to tens of thousands of open connections, making it ideal for long polling, WebSockets, and other applications that require a long-lived connection to each user.
Interesting. How would I get started with a basic Tornado web application?
First, you need to install Tornado. You can do this using pip. Then, you can create a simple Hello World web application like this.
That's neat. And how does Tornado handle asynchronous operations?
Tornado uses coroutines to make asynchronous code more readable and maintainable. Here's an example of an asynchronous handler. In this example, sum_async_ function is an asynchronous function that Tornado will wait for without blocking the whole application.
Can Tornado interact with databases in a non-blocking manner?
Yes, Tornado can interact with databases asynchronously. However, you need to ensure that the database driver you use supports asynchronous operations. Tornado doesn't provide a database driver itself, but you can use libraries like Motor for asynchronous interaction with MongoDB, or Async for PostgreSQL.
What about real-time features like WebSockets?
Tornado has excellent support for WebSockets. Here's a simple WebSocket handler. This WebSocket handler echoes back any message it receives.
This is great information. How about deploying a Tornado application? Anything special I should know?
Tornado applications can be deployed just like any other Python web application. However, because Tornado is its own web server, you don't need to run it behind a separate WSGI server like Unicorn or UWSGI. You can deploy it directly, or behind a reverse proxy like Nginx for additional features like SSL/TLS termination.
Sounds powerful and flexible. Thanks for the introduction.
You're welcome. While Tornado is powerful, it's a bit different from more traditional, synchronous frameworks. It's particularly well suited for applications where you need to maintain a lot of open connections or handle a lot of real-time updates.